Tumblers Today is a pre-war locksmithing guide that details modern mechanical lock designs, their vulnerabilities, and maintenance techniques. Although originally meant for professionals in security and manufacturing, its lessons now serve scavengers and wanderers looking to open locked doors and containers across the wasteland. Reading this book permanently increases the player character's lockpick skill by 3 points, or by 4 with the comprehension perk, making it easier to crack safes and bypass secured areas. This issue can be found inside the farmhouse at Wolfhorn Ranch, partially hidden under the fridge without a door.